Abraham, tell us his age.
Your age.
How old are you?
I'm now 71 years.
Yeah, so that is the beginning. The Ghana Cocoa Board is the organization in Ghana that is responsible for regulating the cocoa industry. And cocoa in Ghana is seen as an important commodity for the entire country. It provides livelihood for the 800,000 cocoa farmers and their families that depend on cocoa production for their livelihood. It's a source of foreign exchange for the nation. It provides tax revenue for the nation, and it provides employment not only for farmers but others in the cocoa value chain in Ghana. So it's an important